Testing viral food gadgets. Are they legit or are they dog shit? Let's find out.
Capitalism's fun. I love buying shit I don't need.
All right, so here is our first gadget. Okay. Oh. How do I do this? So I've never actually used one of these, but I have seen it, so I think you just like do, oh, you just do that. Well, isn't that just totes adorable? Oh my God! This is the greatest thing I've ever seen! Pick. You want some watermelon, babe? Here. Oh, and you can like, whoa, you can like cut it. So you just get little, oh shit. That's kind of cool. I like that. Now this thing, okay. We got this. It should come out easier, but this is also adorable. Little watermelon popsicle. This is cooler. This is fine, I guess, but it works. This one has directions. Confirm size of 0 to 2 centimeters of watermelon. Centimeters? This is America? Give it to me in inches or nothing. Okay. First glance, this looks like a little bath toy that I would give to my son. It's a massager. Is it a unitasker? Ow. Isn't this supposed to be seedless? Push. Oh! Oh! That's a good watermelon. Ugh. Okay, wow, that really like spits them out. I mean, this certainly is very much faster. It's doing its job. They're not particularly uniform, but it does cut the watermelon very easily. It works. So a slot dog is a hot dog slicing tool, but it's not gonna slice things all the way through. You make little crosshatchies, okay? I love a fucking burnt hot dog. Like, forget about it, that's the hot dog I want. Intended for use on cold and firm hot dogs with no casing. Whoa. Wow, that will handle a really big wiener. Let's use this. Is this a cold, firm enough dog for you? Put the dog down and... Okay. Oh, let me slot the other side. Dog. Okay. Oh no! I have overslotted. It's like the first pancake, always a tester. Impress your friends and family with the ultimate hot dog game changer. You're gonna need a little bit bigger hot dog to impress me, buddy. All right, so this nifty little tool just basically cuts crosshatch patterns into your hot dog so they're capturing more of the grill smoke and flavor. We shall see. Ooh, our hot dog is cooking. Oh, do you smell that? Smells like democracy. I'm gonna enjoy it while we still have it. This country's going to shit. All right, I think our burger is done. That's pretty darn good. That looks like this slotty dog would have a nice mouthfeel. Who needs healthcare when you have a hot dog slicer, honestly? Okay. So, blasphemy. Gonna put some ketchup on my dog. I mean, this tastes like a hot dog. Let me just raw dog this wiener. That's cool. I like that. It works great. I would do this if you were having people over. I mean, it's a little more exciting. Hot dogs and burgers, super easy to grill. This maybe looks like you put a smidge more effort into hosting your guests. So yeah, I would use this again. It's nice. Makes that dog taste good in the mouth. Welcome to America, where we have a gun for that too. So apparently this is a gun that you fill with condiments and you murder your hunger by squirting your shit with it. So we're gonna fill it with a whole bunch of different sauces, try it out, and see if it works or not. Let me see how I load my gun. Oh, would you look at that? Okay. Okay, we've got a little bottle. Let me fill it. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh. Okay, I'm squeezing. Oh, wait. Oh, no, wait. Oh! Wow, works fucking great! Oh. If only all the guns in America worked this well, we'd probably have a lot more children still. I can't even finger the fucker to work. All right, well, I think it's safe to say, doesn't fucking work. This is the fucking stupidest thing I've ever heard. I'd be so sad. Oh, nope. Nope. Fucking sucks. Well, it looks like a crime scene. So if that was your goal, by using a gun to shoot your hot dog, mission accomplished. All right, so we're testing out this burger press. You make stuffed burgers. I don't know why there's a horse on the label. I don't want to make a fucking horse burger. I would have just left the mascot off of that. Anyways, cavity press, 4-inch base mold. Let's see if it works. Well, it sounds like it's already fucking broken. Thanks, Amazon. Anyways, look at this little nifty little fellow. So, this little, there's another part. It would be nice if there were fucking directions on or in the box. I think what I do is I'm just gonna add some beef. Okay. Now let me take my cavity press. Press in a good cavity. Oh, look. Ah. We're gonna go, you know, American. We're gonna do like a jalapeno popper burger because it's a stuffed burger, and why not? I've become the thing I despise most. What the fuck is this for? Wow, look at that. She's a beaut. It did stuff the burger. All right, let's cook this and see what happens. Jeff Bezos could sell crack to the Liberty Bell. Wyoming! And I'm proud to be an American. The top and the bottom looks cooked. I don't know about the middle. This is too big. This is too big. It's too big. Never thought I'd say that. It's too big. I mean, if Krabby Patty was the goal, is there anything more American than eating a burger on stolen land? All right, let's give this burger a go. All the cream cheese exploded out of the side. That's a fucking lot of cream cheese. I have no one to blame but myself. Maybe don't add a vat of cream cheese in the center of your burger like I did. But fuck it, it's America, and it's 4th of July. So the stuffed burger press, it worked. There were some extra parts that I'm sure mean something to somebody, but I don't know. Is it for me? Nah, just, it's a gimmick. Kind of stupid, but I suppose it worked. An ice cream sandwich maker, because being fat in America wasn't easy enough already. All right, so this little gadget is supposed to make it very easy to make a homemade ice cream sandwich. IcePo is an ice cream scoop that serves as a perfect half-cup portion and creates instant ice cream sandwiches. So it's a little, it's got some string. It's got a little pushy doodad. Push, twist, and serve. Here goes nothing. I'm supposed to push. Oh my God, little arrows come to tell you. Twist. Ooh. And then I have my cookie, and I'm gonna push. It worked better than I thought it was going to. If you want to make a whole bunch of ice cream sandwiches, this would actually make your life a lot easier. Those are nice ass ice cream sandwiches. This works. That tastes like freedom. In conclusion, we actually did find some pretty nifty gadgets. This worked really well for ice cream sandwiches. I like this hot dog guy. This watermelon fella was actually pretty surprising. Do you need any of these things? No. Are they fun? Sure. But to be perfectly honest and slightly sentimental, the only thing you need is your friends and your family. Please be safe. Don't blow off any fingers. Have a wonderful 4th of July. And don't forget to vote. If there's another gadget you want me to try, please let us know down in the comments. I would be more than happy to be your guinea pig. And have a happy 4th. Be safe. See you next time. Will we have a country in 5 months? Who knows? But you'll have a gun that sort of shoots ketchup.